Hey, this is Steve from WebAiry, and today I'm going to show you use cases of Windows VPS. Number 1. Website and applications hosting. You can use a wide variety of websites and applications on a VPS virtual private server, depending on your specific needs. Here are some examples of websites and applications that can be hosted on a VPS. Number 2. Website, software testing and development. You can use a variety of website and software testing and development tools on a VPS, depending on your specific needs. Here are some examples of website and software testing and development tools that can be used on a VPS. Number 3. Access e-commerce platforms. You can access and run various e-commerce platforms on a VPS, as long as the server meets the requirements of the platform and supports the necessary technologies. Here are some examples. Number 4. Access freelancing platform. You can use a VPS to access and work on various freelancing platforms. Here are some popular freelancing platforms that can be accessed through a VPS. Number 5. Finance trading. There are several finance trading platforms that can be used on a VPS to automate trading strategies or access. Number 6. Gaming. You can play a variety of games through a VPS, providing a seamless gaming experience for players. Here are some examples of games that can be played on a VPS. Windows VPS can be used in various industries. It can be a cost-effective alternative to physical servers, providing a reliable and scalable solution for businesses of all sizes. So, I hope you enjoy this video. Feel free to ask any question in the comment section.